Good morning, crafty friends. Happy Sunday. It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on this morning with a project share. This project is highlighting the new dies that I purchased from my little crafty shop. I have a video on that haul. I can link that down below if you missed it, but it's a new shop, and the owner's name is Lisa. And I saw somebody else's video on they're part of her design team, and so I saw the video and I fell in love with a few of her dies, so I went ahead and I purchased them, and I finally got a chance to play with them. I have some time this morning because my husband took my daughter out to the park, the community park, to play volleyball, and my son just went on a walk, and my dog is nowhere to be found. I think he's out in the yard. So I have some time before it starts getting noisy in this house. So anyway, I want to share. I did post this on my Instagram, and this is my Memorydex. Oh, my dog is back. So if you hear some noise, that's just him laying down on the mat. So this is the Memorydex, my Halloween Memorydex card. I really like how it turned out. I haven't made a Memorydex in a while, and so it took a while for me to kind of figure out my layout and what I wanted to do, but I'm happy with the way it turned out. And this is the My Little Crafty Shop Ghost die, and this is her Halloween Sentiment die. And this is from my stash. I have a video on how I made these cute little candies, and I did a paper ruffle for some dimension, and then I used some ephemera from the just like a random ephemera pack that I have. So let me go ahead and show you actually what I used. So this is the die set, the My Little Crafty Shop Ghost die, and so it comes with all these what do you call this, like embellishments, I guess, that you can make it, you can, like how I did, I made her a little witch. You can put a like a top hat, and it has different eyes, like it has like the eyelashes, that's the one I used, or like regular eyes there. Let's see here, you got the mouth and the cheeks, and then and you also have a bow. And so yeah, this is super cute. I really love her face. I love how she turned out. I just love the ruffled bottom here, the scalloped bottom too. I think that's so pretty, very dainty. So that's the ghost die. And then I also used her My Little Crafty Shop. These are the Halloween sentiments, and so they come with 4. It's Wicked, Witch, Beautiful, and Candy. And obviously I used Candy because that's what fit here. And then I could have used, I mean, witch would have fit, but it's not a witch, so I mean, I guess she has a witch hat, but I wanted to do a candy theme, and so I used the candy sentiment. And then, like I said, this is just from my stash, what I had made previously. I had made a video on this, and so I just took one of the peppermints and I stuck one on there. And the paper pad that I used for the background here is this Trick or Treat. This is an old one from Tuesday morning, and so it's a really pretty paper pad. It's a 6x6, and so I'm gonna probably use this to make some other projects since I already have it out. And so that's what I used for this background right here. It's candies, so it looks like this. That's what I used. And then this is just a die that I have in my stash. I don't know where it's from, but that's the shape that I use for the Memorydex. And this is the ephemera pack that I have, Simple Starries, Say Cheese. I don't have the matching paper. I don't know, I have this for some reason, so I just took like the candy corn and the caramel apple out of it, and I stuck it on the back here, the back side. And then for the ruffle, I showed in my previous video, I have these ruffle dies from Coco and Reno, and I use the smaller one. So I use this one here. And that's how I propped up the candy to give it some dimension. And I think that is all I used. I do have this spiderweb die in the back here, but that's just a random spiderweb die that I found in my stash real quick, and I just cut it out and I pasted it in the back just to give it some shine. So I used some silver paper there. So yep, so that's my project. I will go ahead and link her shop. I'm not affiliated anyway. I just really like her dies, and I do like her sentiments strips. I was going to use it for this, but then I thought this was more fitting for what I was planning. And so I will be posting more projects, because I did purchase a snowman die set from her, and I think that's it. And then some Christmas sentiments strips. So they're already pre-cut and they're colored, so that's really good. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday and you have a relaxing day. I know I have a lot of things to do, so I really can't relax, but I did wake up early this morning to start crafting, and so I think that was my time for the day. And now I will need to go ahead and start breakfast. So I hope you all have a crafty day. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.